Hello, girls. Hi. Hello. Hi. Wala bang dialogue? Wala bang... Say something naman.
I'm from Siargao. I'm your Binibini Pilipinas second runner-up.
Yun, next.
Hi, I'm Katrina. I'm Binibini Pilipinas International 2025.
And...
Hi everyone, I'm Dalia Varde. I represented Las Piñas and I'm your Binibini 36. I'm just kidding. I'm your first runner-up. Thank you.
And right now, bakit tayo nandito ngayon? Sa World Kitchens.
Araneta City and Gateway Mall and of course World Kitchen.
Yun. Will you be here the entire day? Hindi naman.
No, I think around 1 or 2 siguro.
What's the next stop after this?
I guess home.
You don't know. Yeah. Anyway, can we do a shout out? Sige, pagkakasyahin ko kayong tatlo. On the count of 3, sigaw kayo ng What's up, Pilipinas? Okay? 1, 2, 3.
What's up, Pilipinas?
Oh, more energy. Ang hina eh. Oh, 1, 2, 3.
What's up, Pilipinas?
Talagang very demure, no? Thank you.